Chapter 4. Idea Rules. Some government rules protect ideas. Copyright rules say that nobody can copy ideas in a book. When a writer first exclaimed, "I have an idea," he or she probably didn't think about copyright. But these rules help writers. Caption. A copyright page appears near the front of a book. Patents. Other rules protect inventors. Inventors get a patent to protect their ideas. A patent is a paper that says the inventor came up with the idea. Caption. The TM on the box means trademark. No one else can use this serial name. Patents say that no one can make, use, or sell another person's invention. This rule can help people with good ideas. Government rules help improve our lives. They protect our rights. They keep us safe and healthy. We can help each other if we all follow the rules. Caption. Many items in your home have patents.